mature development organizations have mature practices in place, DevOps practices, deployment practices, SDLC processes, where
Mhm.
they're able to efficiently, effectively test these things. I think to your point, the non-deterministic part of this is relatively new to a lot of us, but I think it also follows those same practices, having pipelines, being able. A good example that comes up, and we see it a lot, is I don't say customers. I feel like I'm saying negative. We all tend to like want to use the latest model, right? But if I
Mhm.
change models, even if it's a minor version, my responses can be very different, right? The end result from the model, which is underlying, if it's a reasoning model, which is underlying the agent, the behavior can be very different and totally change my system and in
Mhm.
some ways break the system. So I think um, being careful about testing and also testing in advance, right? What's the next model we might want to evolve to, and testing that in advance and already building out those prompts, and then having a way to not only replace the model, but you may have to replace maybe those system prompts, which then speaks to maybe having better configuration management. Think of those prompts as configuration. Think of the model configuration and how easily those things can be compartmentalized and modularized and replaced in a system as you roll that out to production. So I think just thinking through that, I think that's something we don't think about. I hear that complaint, like we switch models and this stopped working, right? But to some degree, you wouldn't do that with traditional software. You wouldn't change out a database engine, or maybe more specifically, like a package version
Mhm.
of a particular framework you're using without thorough testing. But oftentimes, I think with AI, with the enthusiasm around it, maybe we're jumping models to the latest model a little too quickly without thoroughly testing it.